Hello guys and welcome back to the channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to check flight status on Jet2 application. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to the Google Play Store or the App Store and download the Jet2 application. Now when you did that, you just need to go and log into your profile, but if you do not have one, you can guys always go and register to Jet2. Now guys, that we got that out of the way, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So guys, as you can see, we have in the top left corner, we have the inbox, and in the top right corner, we have the menu where we can search for holidays, search flights, manage bookings, etc, etc. Also in the bottom tabs, we can see that we have the home tab, holidays tab, flights, bookings, sign in, and the offers option. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and check flight status on Jet2 application. It is pretty simple guys, just need to follow these few steps that I'll be showing you and you'll know how to do it in no time. First of all, go and click on the top right corner, click on the menu option. And here guys, you can check your flight status by clicking on your, as you can see, manage my booking, which is the third option out of all of these 9 options that are on your screen. So basically, only thing that you need to do is click on manage my bookings, and there you can see your flight status and what's happening with it, of course. So guys, that'll be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on. Guys, this is really important for us as it really helps us grow this channel. So if you could do this, this will really mean a ton to us. So guys, as always, as I said, I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I'll be seeing you as always guys, and hopefully in the next video. Bye guys.